video, I'm going to compare PayPal fees versus Robinhood fees because this one was bothering me for a while to try to figure out who's got the better deal, and you can't seem to get a straight answer. In this example, what I've done is I've entered in a trade of $200. You can see that the average price, but I'm sorry, exchange right now 59,217, fee $2.49. 249 is not really anything we're worried about. What we're worried about here is the exchange rate. At 59.2, Bitcoin is currently trading today, September 2nd, 2024, at 58,640. 58,640. So if we go up here to our little calculator, and we're going to say 58,640 minus what they're offering, 59,207, equals, difference is 567 points. Okay. That's how much the spread is on PayPal. They're making money, 567. Now let's look at Robinhood. Over to Robinhood. I put in the trade. Here's my arrow. Same trade, 200 bucks. Right here, you would say, wow, Robinhood only charges 89 cents. Cool. And it's fluctuating depending as the market moves. This is going to fluctuate. They're saying the average estimated Bitcoin price, if I make the trade with Robinhood, 58,856, let's say. Okay. So let's go over to our calculator. What is it again? 58. Well, right now it's 58,851. 58,851 minus current price. We said was 58,640. Spread is 200 points. This is a good buying opportunity here. You notice 211 point spread difference versus a 500 point spread difference. It's pretty simple. And I think I've perfectly shown that Robinhood is your better platform versus buying PayPal. If you want an exchange or a third party holding your crypto and you are not going to do cold storage. So I hope that helped. I hope that made it clear to you that it looks like in this case, since I've compared it, and you cannot get a straight answer from ChatGPT. I'm just telling you right now, you just can't. This is my choice. As soon as I get back into the black from PayPal, I will be closing out my PayPal and just putting everything in um, to Robinhood. Anyway, hopefully that helps. Go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in this channel that I'm thinking of developing, Bitcoin Ape. The reason I call it Ape is because I'm just a regular guy like most of you guys. I'm trying to figure this out. And I have some interesting ideas and things that I learn um, as I keep investing. And it seems to me I can share that with you all, share that with people at large so that they can understand, um, better values and where they can put their money for future Bitcoin trades. All right. I think that's it for now. Let's see how this turned out. And if it turns out all right, I think it's a value, I'll post it or I'll redo another one. Take care. Bitcoin Ape out.